our shapes calendar. This is a week-long activity or project. Monday, we will introduce the shapes on a smartboard, ask students to assist in finding shapes around the classroom, and they will have a shapes tracing worksheet to work on drawing the shapes. On Tuesday, we'll review the shapes that we learned from Monday. We'll have a shapes activity game on a smartboard and a shape counting and coloring sheet. And they will also take out their iPads and practice their shapes on a Learning Shapes app. On Wednesday, we will show the shape of things videos so they can see how shapes are used to create different objects. And we will use a smartboard activity with creating images using shapes. On Thursday, we will once again practice shapes on the iPad app if they have extra time. On Thursday, we're creating an art project using the shapes and we'll show examples. And on Friday, the students will present their artwork to the class. They will explain what they created, why they created, and the different shapes they used to create the artwork. And to get the students motivated and excited to learn about shapes, we have a shape song.
Look out! We are shapes! I am a circle. You can see me everywhere, like a full moon in the night, and the eyes of a teddy bear. I am a circle. You can see me everywhere, like a full moon in the night, and the eyes of a teddy bear. I am a square. You can see me every day, like the tiles on the floor and the pizza box. I say, I am a square. You can see me every day, like the tiles on the floor and your pizza box. I say, I am a triangle. You have seen me, I am sure, on the sail of a boat and a pizza slice, you know. I am a triangle. You have seen me, I am sure, on the sail of a boat and a pizza slice, you know. I am a rectangle. You have seen me, oh you have, on your window, on your door, and even in your microwave. I am a rectangle. You have seen me, oh you have, on your window, on your door, and even in your microwave. Look out! We are shapes!
And that's our video on the shapes. Next, then I will go into what are shapes or definitions of shapes. Shapes are the appearances of someone or something. To create these shapes, we'll use lines, which can be straight, curved, or diagonal. And I will show the different shapes, the 4 basic shapes: a circle, square, triangle, and a rectangle. Then we will go into the definition of shapes. A circle is a curved line that connects all the way around. And at this point, I will bring down a circle, and then I will draw the circle. A square is a figure that has 4 equal sides. Once again, bring down the square and demonstrate. 1, 2, 3, 4. A triangle is a figure with 3 straight sides. Here's my object. 1, 2, 3. And a rectangle is a figure with 4 straight sides, but unlike the square, the sides are not equal. So the square has 1, 2, 3, 4 equal sides. The rectangle has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, but one that's long, another one that's long, one that's short, and one that's short. So it's 2 long sides and 2 short sides. And that's how you can tell the difference between a rectangle and a square. Then, once we have learned different shapes, I will ask the kids to tell me different shapes around the classroom. So I will ask somebody, can they find me a square within the classroom, a circle, a rectangle, or a triangle? Then, the finish the day off, they would get a practice worksheet so they can learn to trace the different shapes and get used to drawing them.